Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll be looking at the Jesse James Beads design element in Tree of Life, and this is exclusive for Softlex Company for the Great Bead Extravaganza Spring Fling. This video does not contain any spoilers. All the items here are currently available on the Softlex website, and I will leave a link down below. With the exception of this tree here, unfortunately, it did sell out. It was a ceramic bead. But these items are not in the kit, in the design kit, and I will post my design unboxing later on in the month for the Tree of Life. And when Softlex does their monthly design kit, most of the time you will get an exclusive mix in your kit, but usually for a Great Bead Extravaganza, they put them separately. So they're not part of the kit, but you can always add them on like a little bonus bead set. Love the colors. These leaves stood out to me right away. And they're not too heavy, so I think they'd be really pretty for a pair of earrings. You could also maybe use some paints on them. Nice to maybe make like a lariat style necklace with the leaves and then just kind of hanging from the tree bead. So we'll have to see what the design with that one. I love these ceramic beads. Ceramic beads are just so beautiful, and the work that goes into just making one bead, it's truly a piece of art. And everyone is so unique. These are so pretty. That would look good for earrings. These ones here. Oh, these are pretty. They're like a little cord wrapped around them, so it gives it a little texture. Those are pretty. That would be pretty for like a illusion style or macrame. Oh, look at these sparkles. I love how Jesse James Beads puts in some larger beads. They've been doing that the last couple sets, but just beautiful, beautiful sparkle. And then we have some metal beads. Those would look good. See, everything just fits so well in this mix. It's such a beautiful set. And the TGBE or Great Bead Extravaganza kits always sell out, so it's best to order yours early. And we have some metal beads in the gold one, and they're kind of like a matte finish. These ones are just so pretty. They're check glass, but they just have like a twist to them, and they're almost like a topaz or like a smoky quartz. That's just gorgeous. So we have those, and then a whole bunch of little findings and spacers. So you really do get a lot in your kit, in the Tree of Life kit. How pretty. And then just more spacers. These ones look like almost the lava beads, but they're just gold plated. Those are neat. And then rondels. Gotta have more sparkle. And then a few daisy spacers and some more check glass. You can see how that would just fit in perfectly. Oh, just look at that sparkle. It would fit in perfectly with the Tree of Life bead strand. And I felt this bead was really neat. It looks like there's, they look like delicas wrapped around a large bead. So that was similar to one of the projects that Joyce showed us with the ceramic beads. So I thought that was really cool, but just look at the sparkle. A wonderful kit. You do get a lot of beads. Everything is unique with your little leaves. And then you can always add in your ceramic bead if you have that in your collection. But this is just a wonderful mix and strand. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other tutorials and content. Have a wonderful day.